What's up guys, today we are gonna solve Leetcode problem 2017 grid game. Okay, here we had a got 0 index 2D array grid of size 2 into n, where grid RC represents the number of points at position RC on the matrix. Two robots are playing a game on this matrix. As you can see, two robots are there. It is the 2D array of matrix grid. This is also another grid. Okay, as you can see. There are not two grids, but there is only one matrix where robots are playing. So at the start of the game, the first robot moves from 0, comma 0. So initially the first robot starts from 0, comma 0. Okay. To reach here, 1, comma n minus 1, collecting all the points from the cell on its path. Okay, it gonna collect all the points and reaches the location. Okay. Note that their path may intersect with one another. Okay. Then the second robot moves from 0, comma 0. Second robot also moves from 0, comma 0 to destination here, collecting the points on its path. Note that their path may intersect with one another. Okay. The first robot wants to minimize the number of points collected by the second robot. It contrasts that the second robot wants to maximize the number of points it collects. If both robots place optimally, return the number of points collected by the second robot. Okay. So the robot 1 tries that robot 2 get minimum points and robot 2 tries to collect max points from the best. Both R1 and R2 plays optimally, means they play smartly, not anyone are dumb. So then the robot 2, how many points it has collected from the best, it will be written. Let's see the process. Okay. First rows sum we will keep and decrement the remaining from it. So the sum will be 11 of the first row. When robot 1 drops from 0 index, it goes like this, down, then right. So 11 minus 2 will be 9 and it will be 0. So robot 2 has two options. One is 9, it can take, so it will turn 0, it will be also turn 0, 0, 0. So robot 2 has two options, either it can go from here to here or it can go from here to here. That is 0. Okay. The robot 2 will take the maximum value. From them, maximum is 9. Okay. Then we'll see the next strategy. So next strategy is like the robo goes from here to here, then goes down to here, then reaches the destination. So it will turn 0, it will turn 0, it will turn 0, it will turn 0. For robo 2, the remaining row for the second is 1, and for first row it's 4. So the robot 2 has two options, 4, he can get, or 0. From this, the robot 2 chooses maximum one. Okay, let's see the third strategy. In third strategy, robot 2 goes straight away, taking all the points from the first row and reaching the destination. So it will take all the points from the first row, it will be 0, then the leftover is 6. So robot 2 have two options. Okay, either robot 2 can take 0 or 6. So robot 2 takes maximum from them, that is 6. From this maximum points, like this is 9, this is 4, this is 6. Okay, so from the maximum values, the robot 2 takes minimum value. So from these maximum values, we'll store the minimum value for robot 2. So from them, 4 is the minimum. Okay. So robot 1 always takes strategies where robot 2 has minimum points. So we can say that this strategy is most optimal for robot 1. So robot 1 will take this one. Robot 1 always tries to minimize robot 2 points, and robot 2 always tries to get maximum points from the best. Guys, let's start with the code. First, we define the first row remains some variable. Okay. Data type long will keep initialized with 0. Okay, then we'll run for loop for storing numbers in first row remain some variable. Okay, grid 0 means row 0 with 0 index will store every value in the first row remain some. So we define another variable with long data type, that is second row remain some. This also will define with 0. Then another variable which stores the minimized robot to sum, which we also written. Then we'll run for loop here also, which checks every condition of the robot one. Like as we had said, it can jump from column 0, column 1, and column 2 also. So for checking those conditions of column, we'll run this for loop. Robot 1 column is initialized with 0, then robot 1 column will be less than grid of 0. Here we'll define the strategy for robot 1. Okay, so first row remains sum is equal to first row remains sum plus grid of 0 means row of 0, row 0, then column of robot 1. Then we'll also define robot 2 strategy. Robot 2 will try to do best after robot 1 has taken the above strategy. Okay, we'll define first a long variable. Best will store maximum value from the first row and the second row. After the robot 1 has taken all its points and went, and the remaining value from we had taken that, remember. Then we also define minimized variable robot insert max dot minimum. Okay, don't get confused, guys. So here we had took the minimum value of the first row and second row, that will be gonna store in best of robot 2, one by one. Okay, three strategies we have taken. So based on that, the maximum value it will gonna store in best of robot 2. Then from that, the minimum value will be gonna take. So best of robot, all the values as it is stored in this maximum values from them. So basically the minimum value will be stored here. That is 4 as we seen in the. Then we define the variable second row remains sum. The second row. Here the second row and the robot 1 column will be stored. Okay. Then finally we'll return the minimized to sum. Let's check the results. Okay, there is one error. Minimize robot to sum best of. We had defined here a small letter. Okay. Okay, guys, all test cases are passed. So we'll submit the code. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.